Everyone, welcome to my video. We're going to do a little bit of yoga in the kitchen. I'm cooking some pasta and I've just put water on to boil, and by the time we're done, that water is going to be boiling. So as you can see, we're in the kitchen today. It's going to be gentle on the knees, but I'm wearing Ugg boots and my fancy little jacket because yoga doesn't have to look like anything. Breathe in, reach arms to the sky. Breathe out, forward folds. Have a little wiggle around here in the shoulders. Heel to the feet out and lift to a halfway lift. Bring the shoulders back and relax down. Turn the toes out, bend the knees into your yogi squat. You don't have to go this deep. Maybe a little head rock side to side, maybe a rock of the body side to side. Reach the arms forward, maybe the arms up for a little bit of a workout. And then hips to the sky, forward fold, halfway lift, and down. Reach the right arm up to the sky, come to a twist, and down. Then just the left arm, swap it over. Little twist here. We'll reach the arms all the way back up to the sky, feel tall, and exhale all the way down to the earth again. See how your dog, if they've come to give you a sniff, when you do a halfway lift. And hands down, knees and toes down. Do some cat-cows. Just be careful of your knees here. A bit more weight in the hands than the knees because you're usually on tiles or some kind of uncomfortableness in the kitchen. Maybe a little wiggle side to side, forwards and back. And lift the hips up, downward dog. Tuck the toes under. It might be a bit shorter to make sure that you don't slip or the knees can stay bent. If you felt strong, maybe a vinyasa, maybe not. Just be careful. You're on hard ground. We're just having a little stretch. Work out in your downward dog. Step the feet forwards. Interlace the fingers behind your back. Stretch the arms. Keep the shoulders down and back. Try and push the palms together as well if that feels nice. Opening up the shoulders here. Reach up to the sky. Keep the hands down, reaching down towards the backside of the knees. And then wrap your arms around yourself. Remind yourself that you're awesome and capable. And oh my God, you just did some yoga. How great. Bring your dog over. Give them a little kiss from me. Bean and I say thank you for joining us. And by the time I finished this tiny little float, my pasta was cooked and the water was boiling. Thanks for watching.